Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel AindrilazDNA. So this video is going to be as suggested by the title. I am going to shave my face. Yes, basically I'm going to use this tool over here, that is the face razor from Vega, and this cost around 40 rupees one piece, and if you buy 3 you will get it in 110, which is very cheap I guess. So stay tuned. So you guys have already seen a lot of Instagram and YouTube bloggers, I mean the beauty vloggers, is saving their face and the results are OMG. That was amazing. So everyone is saving their face now. It's been going out there for so long, but I have always been so scared of doing this and also procrastinated. But finally I'm doing it. I know you guys are also scared of doing this because of ingrown hairs, breakouts, pimples, cuts and so on. But today I'm going to do this. There is a reason. The reason is I'll be traveling to North Bengal after 2 days and due to some reasons, and I want to look super clean and tidy. And the second reason I'm doing this because this is lockdown. No parlor is open out there to do threading and all this. I don't do upper lips, I only do my forehead and my eyebrows, but I think I look super cool in thick eyebrows too. But it's a new procedure and I wanted to try this out. Now I will guys actually let you know, is shaving good or bad? It has quite a lot of benefits to your skin. It gives you a smoother finish to your skin. Your makeup becomes flawless. It glides easily like a butter. Number 3, it is a cheaper alternative you can do at your home easily, and it will take you hardly half an hour to do it. And the interesting reason to do this is that your skincare products becomes much more effective when you shave your face, because your pores are just exposed. There are side effects too, such as dry and itchy skin. You might get a cut, such as damaged skin and nicks on your skin. And in case you have very thick hair, in that case you might face a problem of skin bumps and irritation, inflammation and so on. Note, this process is to be repeated twice or thrice a month. That means you have to do this frequently and you have to keep doing it in case you need better results. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'll be tying my hair up. I've done makeup because I went somewhere. For removing makeup, I'll be using this Bioderma Sensible Bio H2O. This is a very good micellar water. Please go and watch my reels related to this. I'll be using this. I like how it removes makeup. If you guys also want to buy it, then just go ahead. You see? It's removing makeup so easily. And in case you are wondering what lipstick I was wearing, that is Lakme 925 Blushing Nude. Make sure there are no impurities or no residue of makeup left. I've not done so much of makeup, just applied CC cream only and a little bit of eyeliner. So the next step is to cleanse. I'll be using the this one, the Bella Vita Organic Oil Control Face Wash with charcoal. It's a very good face wash. The consistency is very light. See you guys after washing my face. Now it's time to exfoliate. I'll be using Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub. It's a very mild scrub and the packaging is awesome. Wait. This is a very premium range of scrub. It's very expensive. But you can use any scrub. Make sure your skin is free of any sort of dead cells. I think this is enough. Give me some time to close it. Just scrub your face for 2 to 3 minutes. That will be enough. See you guys after washing this. After exfoliating, the next step is to... I have hot water in this. Steam or warm damp towel. Okay. That's enough. Let it dry and you are sorted. Okay guys, I have prepped my skin and I'm ready. I'm literally scared. Okay, anyways, let's get started. For smooth gliding, I am using this aloe vera gel. That is Nature's Aloe Vera Moisturizing Beauty Gel. This is my favorite product. And you can also use a moisturizer, but I'll be using this gel for a cooling effect because this has peppermint in it. Finger crossed because I'm doing this for first time. You should apply in your eyebrows too. So this comes with a cap. You have to open this, keep it aside. I'll be starting off from my forehead only, with my forehead only, because that seems easier to me. Just keep going. Do it slow with zero pressure. Let me tell you guys, there are certain things that should be kept in mind while you are shaving your skin. That is, use your opposite hand like this to stretch your skin so that you get a smoother base to work with, as like this only, okay? Now hold your razor at a 45-degree angle and always shave in the direction of your hair growth only, okay? And do it with zero pressure or very little pressure because you might get a cut, as I said earlier. So take your time. So let's start. People go for upper lips, but I didn't do this because there are many side effects of doing upper lips, mainly threading or waxing, because it might loosen your skin and wrinkles comes up easily. So I think this is a better alternative. Now for your eyebrows, shape your eyebrows according to your shape only. This cannot give you a parlor finish. Then also मजबूरी में ही कर रही हूँ. नहीं भी करूँगी तो चल जाएगा I think. I think my shape of the eyebrows is okay. Better not to do this because that may ruin. In order to do it finely, I just took one mirror and just doing it and looking downwards. Please don't mind.
A few moments later.
I think it is going to rain heavily. As I told you earlier, the day I shoot a video, it becomes cloudy. So I think I'm done. Yeah, that's okay. I'm done. Oh, look how my skin is looking. Look how my skin is looking right now. I have cleared all the excess hair and everything just with normal plain water. Now my skin become very soft and smooth and it feels amazing. Believe me, I am not exaggerating, but I look very confident and you can see, and I can feel that my skin is also breathing with me. It actually became very smooth and plump, as you can see. Now I am going to share some extra saving tips with you. Before that, you need to apply the toner or any rose water. Let it dry. Now I'll be using this serum, my favorite one, Bella Vita Organic 21 Again Face Serum. That is a very good serum. The packaging is also nice, like this. It's very cute and it comes with a pump. Just apply. Now I'll be using again this Bioderma mini pouch. Any moisturizer you can use, or just I'm taking a little bit. Using a dot technique. Now my skin is looking flawless. Actually, when I sat for shooting this video, there was sun, but now it's totally dark. I'll show you, wait. See, there are so much of clouds and the weather is totally dark. So see you guys tomorrow, because now I don't think that anything is bad or worse in my skin, or there are any side effects of skin saving. I can't say it now, so I'll give you update tomorrow. After tomorrow I will be giving you some tips and will also let you know how my skin feels.
The next day.
Hi friends, how are you doing? A very warm good afternoon. So yeah, this is the second day of my aftershaving, and now I'm going to give some of the extra things, some of the tips, aftershaving tips to you all, so that you can follow them and get better results. And as you can see, this is the second day of my shaving my face and it's just glowing, and I have not applied any sort of makeup. As you can see, only the lip balm. You can see how much smooth has it become. So yeah, do not use any sort of harsh chemicals or products onto your face, just like chemical exfoliators or cleansing brushes, just after your shaving, or at least for 3 days. Mind it, keep it in mind. And no scented moisturizers. Avoid makeup at least for 24 hours. No sun or use sunscreen before going out. And use less skincare products. And please don't touch your face very often after shaving, because it becomes very much sensitive and bacteria can transfer if there is any cut or some acne scars or something is there. I wish I have started this process earlier, because this is the best thing I have ever tried and the results are just amazing. And there is one pro tip: if you have acne, please do not try this, because it may make your skin worse. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram handle is AindrilazMajumdar, and you can go and follow me there. And if you want to watch such more content like this, do consider subscribing and also turn on that notification bell in order to get future notifications of my future videos. This process does not let your hair grow darker or thicker. And also, if you are below 20, please do not do this process. Please wait until you are 20 and उसके बाद तुम कर सकते हो. And until then, take care and goodbye.